Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to open Device Settings. Now click on Notifications over here and tap on App Settings. Then click on Most Recent over here and select one of those options by clicking on it. I will go with All Apps. Now you need to click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from. I will go with Google Play Store. As you can see, after that, all notifications from Play Store are disabled. If you wish to enable them, click on the same switcher. You can always tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage notifications by choosing this switcher next to all Google Play Store notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!